Let's take a look at our investigation today and the experiment we're going to do in just a few moments. Our investigation is on vibration. The question we're going to answer is, how can you use sound to make an object vibrate? You have learned that sound can make objects vibrate. We saw that in the picture with the drums. The sound of the drums made objects in the room vibrate. You can observe or watch how the sound of your voice makes a balloon vibrate. In order to conduct this experiment, the materials we will need is an inflated balloon and a paper towel tube. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. You're going to work with a partner. Hold the balloon gently in your fingertips. Step 2. While your partner talks quietly into one end of the tube, hold the balloon very close to the other end. Step 3. Observe what you hear. Observe what you feel through the balloon. Record what you hear and feel. Step 4. Switch places and repeat while your partner observes and records. Now turn to the next slide and let's make our predictions before we actually do our investigation.